This video provides instructions on several ways to use the Microsoft Word AutoShape feature. Click the Insert tab and click on the Shapes button. Click and drag anywhere in the document to insert the AutoShape. The chosen shape has been inserted into the document. Adjust the size, shape, or location of an AutoShape. Click and drag on any corner of an AutoShape to make it larger or smaller. To switch to a different AutoShape, select the object, click the Format tab, and click the Edit Shape button. Select Change Shape and make an alternate choice from the menu options. A new AutoShape has been chosen. Click and drag anywhere along the edge of the object to move it to a different location within the document. Choose a fill color and style for the AutoShape. Click the Shape Fill button to fill the object with a solid color. Select a style for the object. Click on the down-pointing arrow in the Shape Styles menu. Choose a style from among the menu options. Format the outline of an AutoShape. Click the Shape Outline button. Change the thickness of the outline by selecting the Weight option. Adjust the color of the object's outline. Click the Shape Outline button. Select a color. Add effects to an AutoShape. Apply preset effects to the object. Click the Effects button. Browse through the options for each category and click on an effect to apply it to the AutoShape. Change the selected effect by clicking on a different effect option under one of the effect categories. Add text to the object. Right-click the AutoShape and select Add Text. A cursor will appear in the center of the object. Type the desired text and click Enter. To change the text formatting, select the text and choose from the available text formatting options on the Home tab. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.